Got the Tikea Hexagonal corner plane stand. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look. First of all, this looked a lot bigger to me in the picture, so just to show you, this box is 15.5 by 11. A little bit smaller than I thought it was, judging by the pictures, but let's open this up and see what we get inside here. We got some gloves, instructions on how to assemble it. We have all the pieces, so we have the stands themselves right here. You can see we've got larger pieces and smaller pieces. That's, I think these are 15 centimeter and 11 centimeter. So 4-way pieces and 3-way pieces on here. So we're gonna follow the instructions. And it's, oh, look at this, little rubber hammer too. How about that? You're gonna need that. Nice looking kind of a dark, light to dark stained wood. Looks pretty nice. Same with these guys. These are stained as well. And these things appear to be high quality plastic. Let's go build this thing and see what happens. I've got all these sorted out on the desk right here. They actually gave me one extra piece of everything. Now it says to soak these in water, but I'm going to use a heat gun because that's what I do. All right, here it is fully assembled on my desk. Look, that's me through this hole. That's me, Randy. So you got 34 inches this way, 6 inches this way, and this thing is 2 foot tall, just to give you an idea of the size of this. All right, here it is fully assembled in front of some sliding doors to give you an idea of the size of this thing. This thing is made out of eucalyptus wood, which is a very nice looking wood. It mixes well with the plastic pieces on here, I think. It'll hold up to 70 pounds. Obviously, you can put whatever you want on here. A couple things I wanted to point out when you construct this. Make sure you follow the directions exactly. Make sure the slats are all on the top side so that when you assemble them, you don't have to take anything apart again. And if you do have to take something apart after you've constructed this, I would suggest that you use if you have a heat gun or a blow dryer, something that'll create hot air. You can soften that plastic up on there and pull the pieces apart again and put them back on. I had to actually flip one of these pieces upside down because I had assembled it the wrong way. So that was a good lesson. But yeah, great looking piece. Like I said, it'll hold up to 70 pounds. Looks nice, made out of eucalyptus wood. I think the wood looks great. Nice addition to our plant family. So if you're looking for a nice rack or something to put out on your deck, in your living room, your office, wherever, kind of a neat piece, check this one out. Awesome. Check it out.